two exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. If evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only when told to do so. Pull the red strap from the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull it to tighten. Once outside, pull down the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We're coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, your seatbacks and tray tables are in their full upright lock position, and all of your carry-on items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin, leaving the space around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. Use and charging of electronic cigarettes and vapes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. If needed, for oxygen mask will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. Please remove any face coverings before donning an oxygen mask. We're here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thanks for your attention. Sit back, relax, enjoy your 1 hour and 25-minute flight over to Austin. Welcome aboard. We will be doing the cabin lights for departure. If you need an additional ring light, click the button with the light bulb above you. your seatbelts have been cleared for departure.